In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to change your oil in your rear differential. In this step, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for reinstalling our differential cover. This magnet portion here is going to indicate the bottom. We'll rotate it, start below the rear sway bar, and roll it up into position over the ring gear, just like so. Once you have it in position and the bolt holes lined up, it's all right to go ahead and begin putting them in. You're going to want to run these down as far as you can by hand. It'll just save you ratcheting in an uncomfortable area. Alright, I'm going to put my ID tag back on with its bolt. Slide it on just like so. Set it right up here so it can be seen without too much difficulty. Even if it doesn't look like to you that you can read the numbers off the tag, leave it there. The technician may be able to find enough numbers on the tag to decipher exactly which differential it is. All right. And that is the proper service procedure to install your rear differential cover onto your differential case.